Todd Brandon from the agency, and take a look at the location of this property we've got for you. Just at the end of the street, we've got TCC, one of Rockhampton's best high schools. And at the other end of the street, we've got the Benevolent redevelopment and also the Brown Park Stadium about to begin. And here we are at 1 of 87 West Street, just walking distance to the Rockhampton CBD. This low maintenance property is an incredible opportunity.
But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living without it.
The things I love about this property is the easy lock up and go lifestyle, the spaciousness of this unit, and the fact that it's located in this quiet complex.
Well, there you have it, 1 of 87 West Street in the Rockhampton CBD. This low set, low maintenance, secure property is available now. If we can help you own it, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.